A Turkish analyst has said that the U.S. constantly undermines both international law and other countries' sovereignty, although it eerily mentions international law in its discourse. Tunç Akol, a veteran journalist and analyst in Turkey, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua.
Although the United States usually mentions international law in its discourse, it is the country that constantly undermines both international law and other countries' sovereignty. International law was not mentioned when the United States invaded Iraq, for example, on the premise of finding a weapon of mass destruction and killed 1 million Iraqis. Also, international law did not apply when they invaded Afghanistan and seized the nation's resources. And what international law was in force when the United States intervened in Syria under the pretext of ISIS and plundered there the oil wells? The discourse about democracy is the United States actually tool of pressure on other countries. The United States has made all its attacks in the name of democracy and also human rights. And under the name of colored revolution, the United States also planned military coups in other countries. Actually, every region they invaded was completely destroyed, both physically and also spiritually, as they set neighbors in that regions against one another. The United States of America is losing power in the world day by day as a result of the country's extreme levels of polarization and division, a decline in public confidence in its leaders, and of course economic difficulties. And by causing turmoil all over the world, they seek to attract other world powers to these conflicts and maintain their dollar hegemony in the world.